Today we will be covering torque acting on electric dipole in electric field. So as you can see the diagram, these black arrow lines, let me highlight these for you. These black arrow lines are the electric field. This red is an electric dipole separated by distance of 12. This theta is the angle between dipole and electric field. The initial angle between electric dipole and electric field. This is theta. So we have to find out torque today on electric dipole. See the torque, this term we have learned about this term in class 11 last year. And what was torque? Torque was a rotating force, the force which helps to rotate something, that is torque. So here also torque exists. It exists where force is applied at minus q and at plus q. Both are in opposite direction. One force, let me show you the diagram. One force would be in this direction and one force would be in this direction. These forces are equal and opposite, because of which it rotates. So the force acting on minus q will be force acting on minus q will be formula is Fe. Formula is QE. Similarly, force acting on plus q is also QE. Both have the same magnitude but different direction. If you remember the formula of torque, the formula of torque was force into perpendicular distance. Right? Now force is QE. As you can see, we have to take only one force, either of minus q or of plus q. The force is QE. Now where is the perpendicular distance? Let me draw the distance over here. This is the perpendicular distance that we have to find out. With the help of trigonometry, we can find out this distance. If I apply sine theta over here, if in this triangle I apply sine theta, then what is the value of sine theta? Sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse, and we have to find out this perpendicular only. I'm giving it a distance of x. Let perpendicular be x divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 12. So if I cross multiply, x is equal to 12 sine theta. Okay. Now we'll put these values in the formula of torque. Torque was force into perpendicular distance. So let's put these value. Symbol of torque, as you know, this force is QE. QE 12 sine theta. This is the value of perpendicular distance. Q into 12. This was done in last video. Q into 12. Q into 12 is dipole moment, right? So this become PE sine theta. This become PE sine theta. And PE sine theta, if you remember AB sine theta, last year in 11th, AB sine theta was A cross B. So this becomes P cross E. Similarly, it becomes P cross product and E. Don't forget to make vector sign on both P and E. Then only you can say it is a cross product. So formula of torque acting on dipole in electric field is P cross E. Now we are going to discuss few of the cases in case of torque acting on dipole. Now the first case is if theta is equal to 0. If theta is equal to 0, so torque also becomes 0 because torque is Pe sine theta and sine 0 is 0. So torque becomes 0. This case is also called stable equilibrium. This case is also called of stable equilibrium. In this case, it is said that electric dipole is in state of a stable equilibrium. This question was asked this year question paper also, that what is the condition for stable equilibrium for torque. Second case. See, second case is if theta becomes 90. If theta becomes 90, this is the second case. If theta becomes 90, then sine 90 is 1. So torque becomes Pe. Formula was Pe sine theta. So Pe sine 90. Sine 90 is 1. It becomes only Pe. This is called unstable equilibrium. This condition is called unstable equilibrium. And this is the condition in which maximum torque act on the dipole. So these are the two cases or two conditions that you have to remember, either by the name stable or unstable, or by theta 0 or theta 90.